Hi, this is Sharumathi studying final year BDS. My topic is 3D printing in restorative dentistry. So, what is 3D printing? It is a process in which multiple layers of material are added one over the other under a computer controlled device in order to create a three-dimensional object. Is called as 3D printing. Materials used in 3D printing: metals like silver, steel, titanium, cobalt, chromium alloys, and resins, which include polyamide, polycarboxylate, epoxy resin, followed by organic materials and ceramics, which can also be used as a material. The mechanism involved in 3D printing. One is the digital acquisition, that is the digital impression of the patient, followed by the design, which involves a restoration which required by the patient, followed by manufacturing. The manufacturing which involves printing of the design under a CAD CAM, followed by post processing which involves washing, curing, finishing and polishing. The various technologies involved in 3D printing, which include stereolithography, selective laser sintering, material jetting, digital light processing, fuse deposition modeling. Stereolithography. The principle behind the stereolithography, it uses a UV laser to polymerize a resin layer by layer. Features involved in stereolithography. It has a high accuracy and has a smooth surface finish and gives a fine details. Digital light processing. The digital light processing, which uses a projected light source to cure a resin layer at once. The features involved in digital light processing. It has a high resolution and has a high accuracy when compared to that of SLA. Fuse deposition modeling. The fuse deposition modeling, which melts and extrudes a thermoplastic filament layer by layer, which is mostly used for educational purpose as well as study models. Selective laser sintering. Selective laser sintering, which uses a laser to sinter a powered material, mostly of metal or a polymer, which mainly used in partial denture framework and metal processes. Selective laser melting. Selective laser melting is similar to that of selective laser sintering, where it completely melts the metal powder and gives a fine texture. It is mainly used in implant framework and crown and bridges, etc. Next, material jetting. It jets the liquid photopolymer droplets and cures them under an UV light. It has a high accuracy and gives a very fine structure details. Advantages of 3D printing. It gives a high accuracy and high precision. It is customized for each patient, reduce the chair side time, gives a faster production with a easy reproduction, and it gives a less wastage of material. The limitations of 3D printing, which involves high initial cost, followed by the technique is very sensitive. It requires a post processing as well as a smooth surface finishing. Thank you.